Last question. My spouse is not practicing and affecting my spiritual state. What shall I do?
Pray for her. Pray for her guidance. MashaAllah. Prayers are very strong. Dua is very strong. الدعاء مخ العبادة. الدعاء هو العبادة. Yeah. And also, in order to help her practice, don't yell at her, don't shout at her, don't blame her, don't always remind her. I'm sure she already has been reminded dozens of times, if not hundreds of times. So she knows what she needs to do. But mostly probably she's not practicing because she sees you practicing and she sees you not doing her justice or not treating her well. So she says, oh, how come you're practicing and you're at this behavior or this behavior? So you see how important it is to be good examples to our husbands and to our wives. I'm speaking also about both parties. But often it happens like that. You want to pull your wife to practice, then be a good example for her in character. Because it doesn't matter to her whether you pray or not. It matters to her how you treat her, how generous you are to her, how forgiving you are to her, how kind you are to her. This is what matters to your wife. Your prayer is between you and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.